you're watching us and you want to learn a little bit more about dog training and how you can get involved, we've got a brand new scheme called Wag and Train. Sign up today, pay £5, you'll get a free Fish for Dogs treat bag and some treats. You'll get access to a special website, and on the website we've got 10 tricks, and all the tricks there are explained in video and pictures and broken down so that you too can go away and work your dog very, very similar to ours, and at the same time have fun and raise money for dogs that are disabled. Okay, so let's see a specific trick that Frodo does for Lizzie, and this one is pulling a sock off. So Lizzie uses this every day with Frodo, and she asks him to pull, and he takes the sock off. Give him a round of applause. Isn't that great? Well done. He's doing both of them. So imagine not being able to do that yourself in the morning, and you might